Oh yeah, that does mean it's recording, right?
Okay. So I think we're on even though it didn't beep. So we said we had, what was the equation or the multiplication we had to do?
We had to do 60 times 33 plus 61 times 32.
Okay. And here are our choices: 1920, 1952, 1980, 2013, and 3,932.
Alright.
Okay.
So, for this one, we could, for this equation, we could do 60 times 30 plus 60 times 3.
We sure could, yeah.
So, 60 times 30, 1,800, 60 is 180. So, 60 times, that's going to be 1,980. This one. Then, for this equation, we could do 60 times 32 plus 32.
Okay. Yeah.
So, let's see. That would be 19 plus 32. 18. 32. Now we have to add these two numbers together.
Okay.
1980, 1952. 3932.
Okay. So what's the answer?
E, trust E.
Okay.
3932.
All right. Now, do you have an alternate approach to how we could have seen that it was the answer?
Yes.
Okay.
So, the first step I'm going to do isn't all that essential, but I'm just going to look at the last digit multiplication.
Okay.
This is 0.
Do you see why the last digit will be 0 there?
Yeah. There's 0 times 3 there.
Okay.
And this is 2.
All right.
So narrows it down to either this or this. And then I can do a very rough multiplication. I can say this is 60 times 30, which is 1,800.
Uh-huh.
And this is roughly the same thing.
Okay.
So it points me toward this being the answer.
All right.
And also, even if you didn't do this and you multiplied this out first, you got 19 something, like 1980 or something.
Uh-huh.
So then you wouldn't have to multiply this out, because you just eliminated all of these choices. And you're basically going to double your answer, so you're not going to need, this is not a viable option.
Yeah. So there
It
you
just leaves the...
right. So even just estimating this as being around 1,800, and there's going to be 2 of them, so we know it's going to be 3932.
Yeah.
And that comes not from knowing what the actual answer is. It comes from knowing there's only one choice that's that large.
Oh.
So if there was another choice instead of 3932, if 3922 was a choice, then you really would need to multiply it all out.
Yeah.
But with the choices they gave you here, you could actually just use a quick last digit trick,
And then you can solve it
and
quicker.
you could see that was the answer. All right, good work.